Hello everyone, today we are going to see vaporizer unboxing and review. And I got this product from Apollo Pharmacy. So let's see what are the things we are going to get with this vaporizer. So we have one nose cap and infant cap. We have one face cap and the major thing, these are all the things which comes with this vaporizer. So we have one more thing, vaporizer stream inhaler come, and this is the warranty card also. Purchased this from the Apollo Pharmacy. It looks good for me. Let's see the remaining things. So these are all the things which comes with the vaporizer. As you can see, head cap, and this is for nose, this is for infants, and this is a streamer. We'll see what exactly inside and what are the quantity of this and how are you going to use this. And this is the warranty card. So nothing else in the box. So this is the main part. So we need to pour water into this container, and this is the coil area. So this is the vaporizer area. The vapor will come and flow upward direction from here. So we'll see inside what is the leveler and how much quantity it can be used. This is a screw type thing, so you need to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise in order to get it fit and open. So this is the wire. As you can see, this is the wire. We need to put this in the plug so that it will get on. There is no indicator for these things. So as you can see, this is a measure pot, so which is used to boil the water, and the stream comes from these holes in upward direction. So I'll show you that also. We're going to see so the streams comes from bottom holes to top holes in upward direction. So we'll see that. I'm going to review this product in this video itself. So by keeping aside, I'll show you this. It's nothing but it's very simple and thick, and the product quality is good. The plastic used for this product is good. So it's in depth of my 4 fingers. We have this printed marks, water marks, like we can say that water levels can be measured with this: minimum, medium and maximum. As you can see, this is the maximum and this is the minimum. This is the minimum, sorry, and this is the medium range. So these are the levels. So once we dip here, it's going to work. If you fill the water, whatever the levels you required, and just close this and just plug in this to the socket so that it will start. So we'll see how it's going to work also. Thank you. Now I'm going to pour water until medium level. As you can see, until medium I had used this. You can see. I'll show you. Yeah, you can see my finger, like I had filled this tumbler with water until medium level. So it was difficult to see, I think so. Mostly if I shake, I mean, you can see my thumb below. There is a darkness, but I'm not sure, like, it may be difficult to identify, but I had poured the water until the medium level. So we'll test this by plugging in how the stream comes and what is the working condition of this. So let's start it. After filling this, we need to close this with a cap which they had provided, and this is the major part, like we need to rotate in the clockwise direction to fix this. So I'm just rotating. You need to fix properly until unless it won't get boiled. So yeah, so I can lift this with the cap so that I can check whether it is properly fitted or not. So right now it was properly fixed, as you can see in all directions. So let's plug in this and check whether how it's going to work. As you see, the vapors are coming out. So I had plugged this to the power card. So, and I want to make a note on this. Please keep it on a wooden thing. It will be more secure when compared to any other surfaces, as we are using water with electricity. So I prefer you also to keep this at a wooden area. So I had taken a plank and kept this on, and I had filled this water and I had plugged it to the power plug. As you can see, just within 30 seconds, I think so, mostly. So the vapor is coming upward direction. Let's see the parts they had given for us, how it's going to be work with those parts. So my preference is to use on a cardboard or a wooden surface to avoid any bad things. So let's connect the remaining things. So right now you're seeing the face mask. So I'm going to fix this as they had given the bottom connector to connect this. So we're going to fix this at the vaporizer area. As you see it's boiling. You can hear the sound also. So I'm fixing this. So you can see the stream. So this is the face mask. See that. Let's test the next one. So I'm removing this face mask. So keeping aside, we'll see with this nose mask. So this is only designed for the nose, exactly for the one nose. So as you see, I had fixed this nose one. So in this area we can just put our nose directly towards this, and it will be more useful for the who are running with the nose and running nose mostly, I can say that. So it was good. So past 3-4 minutes I'm using. So when I touched this, it was very hot. The surface is hot. We can't touch with our bare hands. And they had provided one handle for us. If you want, you can lift this and you can use for your nose until to your face. So my preference is to keep it in a wooden place and use it. So and don't just move here and there for a safety cause, and don't do up and down things, like there are holes. If you do in such a way, the water will fall down and it will cause damage to you. So as of now it was good. If I touch the below one, it's not in heat position. We can use this by touching the below part also, the tumbler part also. So if you touch here only, it's going to get heat, and this is also getting heat directly. So I'm replacing this, and I'm going to use this infant, we can say this. So I'm going to place this. So you can see this open area, right? This area we can use some vaporizer or Vicks, something like that, some vaporizer, and we can just apply here so that vapor comes out. And so these are the things, and this is the review of Apollo Pharmacy product, that is Optima Vaporizer, and it costs around 300. I really like this product. It was very good, and we can take it at this COVID situations, and we can use at home, like for vaporizing our body. So the streams are coming like anything. So that's all. I hope you like this video. Thank you one and all.